Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about two amazing ingredients that are packed with health benefits: oregano and lemon.
First, let's talk about oregano.
This herb is native to the Mediterranean and has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. Oregano is rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. The free radicals it's known to cause aging, gray hair, wrinkles, arthritis, decreased eyesight, and even cancer.
Oregano. It is also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, iron, and calcium.
One of the key benefits of oregano is that it helps to boost your immune system. Studies have shown that oregano can help to fight off infections and viruses, including the common cold and flu. It is also a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with a range of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Oregano is also great for digestion. It can help to relieve bloating and gas, and it has been shown to help improve the absorption of nutrients in the body. Plus, it's a natural pain reliever and can help to ease headaches, muscle pain, and menstrual cramps.
Now, let's talk about lemons.
Lemons are another amazing ingredient that is packed with health benefits. They are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C can help to boost your body's production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and viruses. Lemons are also great for your skin. They are packed with antioxidants, which help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. This can help to reduce the signs of aging and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Lemons can also help to aid digestion. They contain a compound called pectin, which can help to promote healthy digestion and reduce inflammation in the gut. Plus, they are a natural diuretic, which means they can help to flush out excess fluids and toxins from your body.
So, what happens when you combine oregano and lemon?
You get a powerful combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help to boost your immune system, aid digestion, and promote healthy skin. In fact, oregano and lemon tea is a popular remedy for coughs, colds, and flu. To make oregano and lemon tea, simply steep a tablespoon of oregano in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then add the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Drink this tea once a day to enjoy all the health benefits of these amazing ingredients. So there you have it, of the amazing health benefits of oregano and lemon. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.